everyone, welcome back. If interface e-transfer is not working in the BMO app, start with these steps. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If not possible, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smooth. Then, make sure your interface e-transfer profile is fully set up in your BMO account. Verify the recipient information is correct. Confirm that you have not reached your daily weekly transfer limit. If the transfer fails, log out of the app, close it, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, look for the app, close it completely, then wait for a few seconds and reopen it and log back in. This usually solves temporary e-transfer issues, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.